Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. I'm doing a rare Sunday recording. I don't record on Sundays, but I got a special delivery, a hand special delivery. So, if you guys want to see what's in this box, stay tuned. Okay, well, the shoe actually arrived to the person yesterday, but I wasn't able to get my hands on it until a little while ago. And, you know the box. You know the box. White box with the gold jump, man. That means, wow, what is all of this purple on here? I don't know what that is. I don't know. I just opened the box. This is the way the box looks. So let's read what the box says. This says this is a women's Air Jordan 1 Low SE. And and it has the same paper as the sneakers that you see behind me on the turntable. This is the, it says it's raw materials. Let's see. About 40% of the upper is made of organic cotton, plants and flowers. The silhouette celebrates the beauty and experimental construction of this underrated style inspiring process. I can't read everything because of the way the writing is done. So we're gonna go ahead. Oh my gosh, I only saw the picture, so this is my first time seeing it in person. This is the Jordan 1 Low canvas. Oh my goodness. Now, when I heard about how the shoe looks, I was told it's gonna look like the Sand Drift, which is right here on the turntable, as you guys can see. So okay, colorway reads Iris Whisper Sail Worn Blue. Okay, so let me go ahead and pull the other shoe out of the box. I don't know what this pink stuff is on my box, but we ain't gonna worry about that. Let's put that over there on the floor. I'm actually gonna grab the Sand Drift and I'm gonna grab the canvas so you guys can kind of see the comparison of the two right here. Kind of bring it down so you can see both shoes in the camera. Now, these shoes both are made of raw materials, so of course it's kind of going to give you the same look as the Sand Drift. Let me put these back on the turntable right there. There we go. Now I'm going to, let's get in close on the shoe. We're going to see the toe cap is a very soft leather. Looks like around the cap and a lot of the blue is a really soft leather also. Right up here, the blue here seems a little bit more of a structured leather, and the swoosh is more of a crackled leather, and then the rest of the pieces on here are the canvas, and of course you got your light blue wings on the back. Your laces are blue. I'm going to open this up so you can kind of see the inside of it. The inside is blue and white, so you kind of see in there. Let me take this piece of paper out of it. And of course it has the dead stock knot, of course. Let's take that out of there so you can see the inside of the shoe right there with the blue Jumpman on the inside. The sole is white. Wow, these are really nice. The pictures, I say this all the time, pictures a lot of times on shoes don't do it justice. Wow, these are really nice. I bet these are as comfortable as the Sand Drift. The Sand Drift are super comfortable. If you have not been able to grab them, if you can find them non-resale, get them. Hopefully you can. I think some stores have those. These were purchased on Nike.com for the price of what? How much were these? I believe these were $135. Let me make sure. I think these were $135. Let me make sure. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. These were $110. I'm tripping. These are $110. $135 was another pair of shoes that I got. We're not going to talk about that. Anyway, you'll see that shoe in a later video. These were $110. So, y'all know the drill. You know what I'm about to do. I'm going to go ahead and style this up with a couple of outfits. Sunglasses, purse, since we are in sunglass season. I'm going to go ahead, let you guys see what I styled this up with, and we'll come back and we'll just end the video. Okay, for the first outfit, well, for this outfit, I went with a shirt, dress, and jeans, both from Target. Shirt is from Who What Wear. Target is from, the jeans are from Universal Threads. Also with the sneakers, I'm going to get a close-up of the sneakers so you guys can see them a little bit more on camera. I opted to just open up the shirt a little bit more so make it easier to walk, even though the shirt has like deep slits. I don't know if I could wear this as a dress because the slit hits here. My butt is, you know, up in there. So it's better to wear this as a long shirt. Let's see. Belt is Coach. Bag is from Stan Studio. I got this from Farfetch. Glasses are from Gucci. And you guys know the sneaker. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to zoom in on the shoe so you guys can get a better look at the shoe on foot so you guys can see. All right, here is the little bit closer look of the shoe on foot. You guys on the floor so you guys can see the shoe a lot better. These shoes are super comfortable. I am thoroughly impressed with this shoe. The outfits that I wore in the Sandrift video would work with these shoes too. That's the cool part about these shoes. They are the exact same colors. So if you want to do a low or a high, you have the option. You can get in there real good. Make sure my ankles were moisturized so you guys can see. Turn around so you guys can see the backs of the shoes right there. Get in a little bit more on the camera. There you go. And yep. Here's a close-up of the shoe. Okay, and for this outfit, I went with a two-piece set that I got from Target, from their Who What Wear collection. The pants these are wide leg pants with kind of a hoodie, thin hoodie with a nice little pocket in the front. Actually, I'm gonna put that in my pocket. And for the bag, it is my Kate Spade tote. I think this is the Hamilton tote. I can't remember. For the glass, I went with the Chloe's. So actually, I'm going to pan down so you guys can see like a close-up of the shoe. So you guys can see that the shoe and the pants do really match. So if you see my pants and my shoe, actually, pants actually matches the canvas part of the shoe. So I want to, you know, be a smidge matchy, but they actually cover the shoe. So you can barely see the shoe unless I unbutton. Let's see if I can unbutton this real quick. What happens with that? There we go. Kind of unbutton that one button and see what that does. Still does nothing. They're still too long. Okay, well, that was all the fashion. I hope you guys like the things that I put with it. We're back in the blues again. So this is going to be interesting what I put with this. Because the funny thing is the outfits that I used with these shoes could probably work with these. Even probably a little better because those are a mid and these are a low. And lows, you can kind of style a little bit more dressy. But we'll see. You guys saw what I did. I have not filmed that part yet. We'll see what happens with that. Anyway, let's get back into this one more time so you guys can see the shoe. And so you guys can see the shoe one more time up close. There we go. I'm going to let that focus in. And actually looks like all the blue is all of the leather that's on the shoe, including the swoosh. That is all the blue. Even the laces are in light blue. And just looking at the laces just a second ago, that's why I kind of look back. These are just like the laces on the sand drifts, but a little lighter. So they're like a lighter denim. The canvas is all around the shoe from where the swoosh is all the way around to the other side. And you also have the light blue Jordan wings on the back. Let that focus in so you can see it. Yep, right there. And like I said, on the inside is blue also, with the sock liner being a light blue, and then the foot is a light blue Jumpman, and it's white on the sole. This shoe is a really good looking shoe. I'm really impressed. I was getting calls yesterday like, this is just like the ones you just got. And I was like, really? Okay, so I got a high and low, very similar. And I thought these were similar to the lemon yellow, which are up here, right? Actually, right there, the lemon yellows. But these actually compare to those, actually, if you kind of tell. So that is it for this video. If you guys have any questions about these shoes, I'm going to put a link. I'm going to put as many links as I can find for these shoes below, from wherever I can find it. Like I said, these were on Nike.com and they sold out. The day they dropped, they sold out. So these shoes were not even, I didn't see these shoes that long on the site. I think they sold out within the day. So I'm going to try to find as many links as I can for you all. So hopefully I can find something that is not resale. Also, if you guys like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everyone involved. And it also lets YouTube know that you guys are digging my content and you all want to see more of my content. Don't forget to comment below. Talk to me about the shoe, what you think about the shoes, what you think about, you know, the cops I've been getting, you know, stuff like that. Just let me know. Just talk to me. Talk to me below, and that would be great. Like I said, that is it. Oh, if you guys want to read something, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I just talk about what's on my mind, from handbags, sneakers, music, movies, things like that. Whatever's on my mind, make sure to go over there and take a read at what I am talking about over there. And that's about it. I'm going to get out of here. And it is almost 2 o'clock. It's a Sunday and I have not had lunch. And I need to take a shower because I've been out and about. So let me get out of here. I gotta go. Like I said, talk to me below if you have any questions and you want to see the links. They'll be in the info box. And I'm out of here. Love, peace, and hair products and shoes and handbags and all that fun stuff. Bye.